Hi, I'm Brent. I'm the owner of the Wild West Railway. Tonight we're doing a bit of a Christmas theme. Everybody have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I'll give you a show around the railway at night time with the little lights and the Christmas theme happening. This is the carousel and the merry-go-round, the little people, the lights, Christmas tree there. We even have Santa going down the chimney, and in the town here. And a little freight train waiting to go. People waiting for the passenger train to come. We have the wagons there, the saloon there. We also have the Alpine number 2 firehouse. You can obviously guess that we're fans of the narrow gauge. Here's the circus train, and the part of the show tonight is tomorrow we're having a bit of a run day. We have the bathhouse here with a few exotic sort of cowboys there trying to do their things. This is Rio Grande 345. Here we have a bit of a cowboy moving their cattle up through the valley. We're running on the inside loop tonight. It's shorter than the outside one. We have the saloon here with a few cowboys wanting a few drinks. But yeah, I'll do another video of tomorrow because we'll have a bit of live steam happening as well. That there is Rock Tunnel on the Coombras and Toltec, sort of when it was first opened in the 1880s. Now it's all filled in. This is a photo I copied and built it like that. So we'll come back over to the town. A lot of the buildings are all made out of wood and all built by me. There's the Christmas tree with Mr. Claus wanting to go down the chimney. So everybody have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And yeah, just to put together. So It's the. We'll have the one more shot of the train, and I'll do some still photos as well. Just well, good night.